If you're struggling to make your affiliate marketing business work, this might be one of the more important videos you watch today. Hey going guys, it's Jamie here, and I want to say a massive thanks for joining me in today's video. And if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and pretty much all things digital. If any of that's of interest to yourself, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. Now, little caveat at this point as well, if you're after all the fancy stuff and the whiz-bang editing and all that sort of stuff, you're probably not going to find it on this channel. This is me just talking about the 9+ years I've had in digital and affiliate marketing, and hopefully going to be able to provide some value along the way to you guys. So anyway, there's something that I wanted to discuss that kind of affects new affiliate marketers and intermediate ones as well, perhaps even more so for the intermediate ones. And I think this is a super important and completely under-discussed topic. So let's talk about retail therapy for a moment. So you go into a store, you got your nice Jordan sitting there, or whatever your vice is that you like to buy. Maybe it's a handbag, I don't know, whatever you're into, right? For me, I kind of hate consumerism. I avoid it like the plague personally, but for a lot of people I know that's an actual thing. They go out, they want to buy the nice stuff, they want to have the good thing in their house, they want to have the nice cars, the fancy watches, the nice clothes, etc. And what happens from a psychological perspective is when people go and they buy something, it releases a little hit of dopamine. Now, dopamine is a chemical in your brain, and it's part of the whole happiness factor. And of course, I'm not a psychologist, so do your own research on this. This is just my findings and my experience talking here as well. So it releases a bit of dopamine, and the dopamine basically is part of our overall happy. And so we get like a pleasurable feeling from having made that purchase. We've got the new stuff, we feel good, you know, we've got maybe it's even a haircut or something, you feel good, you got nice shoes, everything's great, you're feeling good. And then all of a sudden it dissipates because it's not something that's sustainable. Now the relevance of this and the reason why I'm telling you all this is because when people buy courses, they expect, subconsciously, I know it's not a conscious thing because why would anyone do this, but they expect that to be the answer to their prayers, the thing that's going to solve all their financial problems. But it's not. The work starts. This is something that we talk about a lot in the Super Affiliate Accelerator. And if you do want to check that out, smash that link below, have a look, see what it's all about. Getting some great results for our students, but I'll be upfront and say it's probably not going to be for most people because it involves work. Right, but one of the things that we do talk about in the Super Affiliate Accelerator is the problem is that a lot of people, they think once they've bought the course and once they've got the thing, that's where it all stops. That's where great, I've got my dopamine hit and I've done the thing and I've exchanged some financial stuff to the other person, and great, now what? And so because that euphoria and that rush dissipates in a very quick amount of time, the reality sets in that, sure, you've got this swanky sales page and it says basically, this is going to change your life. It's going to be, you're going to make tons of cash and you're going to go and retire in the Bahamas or wherever you want to go, and that's going to be the rest of your life. It's going to be brilliant, and it's going to solve all your problems. But the truth of it is that the work actually starts once you get into the course, and that's what's usually not on the sales pages, because of course it's a lot harder to say and sell something to someone where it's just an honest thing, like you have to work your butt off. It's going to suck sometimes. You're not going to want to do it all the time. Just like going to a job, it's not always going to be smiles and sunshine. It's an unrealistic portrayal of the entrepreneurial and affiliate marketing lifestyle. Now, of course, there's exceptions to the rule. The whole passive income thing, that's a debate for another time. But even then, how do you think those people got the passive income? They either had to purchase something for usually a decent sized chunk of change, or they worked their butt off, like for months, sometimes years, sometimes, in order to build up enough assets in order for them to get the passive income. And it's not all rosy. It's not all, like I say, it's not all sunflowers and smiles or whatever that saying is. So the reason I'm telling you this, and the major takeaway for you guys, is you got to understand when you're making an investment in yourself to get into a program that suits you, that is something that you think can fulfill your desires and help you get to where you want to go, that cuts through the bollocks, that cuts through all the shit out there that's not relevant, then you got to go in it and understand that, cool, the work really starts on the other side. And it's not necessarily the typing, the doing stuff, the creating, all that sort of stuff. It's the psychology that goes behind that. It's the mindset things that you need to unlock. It's the long nights that you're gonna have to spend learning all this stuff, all these new high income skills. Now, of course, like I say, if you do want a shortcut to that and you want a clear and concise pathway, all you need to do is click that link below, check out the Super Affiliate Accelerator, and join over 230 students absolutely crushing it with their online goals, getting incredible amounts of clarity as they go along. Anyway, with all that being said, my name's Jamie. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and like I say, if you are on the verge of buying into a program, just remember that the work really starts on the other side. Just because the sales page and the testimonials, all that sort of stuff say it's the savior for everything, just understand that you're going to experience that dopamine hit yourself, and it's going to elevate your sense of amazement for a little while, but it wears out. And then that's when you've got to reflect and go, okay, this is where it really kicks into gear. Anyway, my name's Jamie. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Hopefully you got some value out of this. Like I say, if you'd smash that like button, drop a comment, let me know what else you'd like to learn, and just take action on whatever you're doing out there, folks. And I can assure you, if you are focused on one thing only, and you just keep doing it, good stuff is going to happen for your business. Like I say, if you'd like to learn more about what I'm up to, smash that button below. Look forward to seeing you guys on the inside. Cheers.